Hello, myself Ujjwal Boro. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the part 1 video lectures on the important dates and events for library and information science. So let's start. So old event in 200 BC, Cole quotes that library cooperation traced as early or 200 BC between Alexandria Library and Pergamum Library in 300 BC, given the first known model of communications by Aristotle. In 400 AD, established the Takshashila University in city of Gandhara in northwest India, now in Pakistan. Subject area focuses on Hinduism, political science, literatures, medicines, philosophy. Then 4th century BC, in between 4th century BC to 6th century BC, established people stored unpublished record, and that is Peudes archive. And then again in between 4th century BC, developed Nalanda University library, locations in Bihar, Kanji's three grandest building after called Dharmaganja, meaning of Dharmaganja is master of religions. And more about this, Nalanda University was founded during the rule of Kumargupta I. It specialized in Buddhist teachings but also offered subjects like logic, grammar, philosophy, literatures. The famous libraries in Nalanda were Ratnasagar, Ratnadadhi and Ratnaranjak. All these libraries were located in a complex called Dharmaganja. In 7th century AD, established Nagarunja Vidyapith located in South India, Amaravati. And then 12th century, Bhaktiyar Khilji set fire the establishment of Nalanda University in between 1197 to 1203 AD. Then 14th century, established first national library, Bibliothèque Nationale de France, locations Paris, France. Then 1461, established first, then 1545, published first known international bibliography named Bibliotheca Universalis by the publisher Konrad Zeissner. And then in 1605, Francis Bacon developed first classification scheme, namely of the proficiency and advancement of learning, divine and human, Bacon scheme for the classifications of knowledge. And then published book named The Advanced Learning by Francis Bacon. In 1690, Kolkata began an important part of the British subsequently circulations and subscription based library. It is related to history of development libraries. And then in 17th centuries, 1790, Tunong Library in India, Society for Promotion of Christian Knowledge, sent out a circulating library to Kolkata. This is related to history of development libraries. In 1714, Third Nong Library in India established Fort Estesios Library. Then 1715, established Fort Nong Library, East India Company Library, locations Bombay. 1753, established British Museum, locations London, UK. 1768, first encyclopedia, developed Encyclopedia Britannica, author, editor, Encyclopedia Britannica, publisher, Encyclopedia Britannica Inc., place Chicago, IL, United States, again edited in 1971. In 1770, established 5 Nong Library in John Andrews Circulating Library, location Fort William, Kolkata. And then in 1774, established 6 Nong Library in India, Rampur Raja Library, locations Uttar Pradesh. In 1781, established Kolkata College. In 1781, established 7 Nong Library in India, that is Kolkata Circulating Library by British. In 1791, Government of France developed first known library catalog code, French cataloging code. In 1792, established Benares Sanskrit College by Jonathan Duncan. 1707 established East India Company Tunong Library in India, Forest David Library, locations Cuddalore, Tamil Nadu. Thank you for your attentions. In the next part, I will cover the 18th century's events happening. So stay tuned. Thank you so much.